Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Cole. I love fun, bright, colourful makeup, and if you do too, you're in the right place. I also love project panning, and that's what we're talking about today. So if you do love other panning content, make sure to check out the playlist I'm going to link down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up as well if you are also project panning. Today I'm going to do my project pan update. Now, over the past 2 months I've really struggled with some eczema in the eyeball area, which has meant I've not worn a lot of makeup, which is why we didn't get an update to this project last month. These numbers I've got here are pretty much what I did in the whole of January, but they are 2 months use. So we're going to go through everything. We've not made a lot of progress, unfortunately, because of the situation with my eyeball, but I have got a couple of things that I want to roll out today. So first off, we've got the Milk Makeup Cloud Dew Primer. I did think we were going to finish this. We've not quite finished it. I've used it 12 times since the last update. That's where we were last time. This is where we are now. I will mark this off as well, but this I think is going to have about 40 uses in it, which for a primer is just insane. That's barely even a month worth of use. I don't particularly love this product. I don't think it does anything, in fact. So I'd be glad to see this one go. Then we have our MAC Face and Body Foundation. This is where we were last time. I can't mark it, unfortunately, because I've used it today, so it's not settled yet. But I've used this 11 times. I'm really happy with this. There doesn't feel like there's a lot left in here at all. I think we are probably looking at next month, maybe, and then we can roll in the Tear Foundation. Then the world's hardest product to track ever. This is McLaren's Instant Concealer. I really thought this one would be done this month. This is where we started 2 months ago, and since then we've used it 28 times. So another 14 uses this month. There's still product coming out here, so we're going to keep it in. I don't know when this is going to run out. This could run out tomorrow, or it could run out in 3 months, and I wouldn't be surprised at either of them, because it is a massive concealer for a start. It's 15ml, but we were so close to the bottom and we're still no further on, I don't think. Okay, my HMB loose powder. I've used this one a further 11 times this month. This packaging, just this powder everywhere all the time. I honestly don't feel like, I mean, that looks like it's more. I really don't think we've actually moved much from the line. Maybe slightly lower, but I'm not going to be bothering drawing another line. 11 uses I'm happy with. Obviously could have been better with 2 months use, but because I wasn't wearing makeup, I think 11 uses is fine. And I do really like that powder. It looks really beautiful, really blurred and lovely, and pairs so well with the Studio Radiance and the concealer. Okay, my Beauty Crop Glow Milk Mist. If you are new here and new to my project pannings, the way I track this, I don't track it per kind of spray. I track it per use depending on what it is. So if I use it in one makeup look, but I spray my brushes with it, I wet my waterliner with it, and I spray it on my face, that's 3 uses. But I don't go by like spray, because I probably apply like 10 sprays per application. So this is where we were in for January, sorry, and this is where we are now in March. So good use on this one. I think we've probably got a couple of months left on this one, and then that is going to be rolled out too. Okay, my Bonnie Dolly Cosmetics mini blush. I've used this one 6 times. This looks literally no different still. Blush is slow progress, hence why I went for something so tiny. Yeah, I don't think this has moved at all. It's a beautiful shade. I've got it on today. I really, really love it. But yeah, I don't think we've made any progress thus far on that one. Okay, something we have got a little bit of visual progress on. This is the Jouer Bronzer Duo in medium dark. I've been using the lighter shade with it being winter, and as you can see, we've definitely, like, this imprint was pretty much the same as the darker one. when we rolled this in, and we've definitely made some progress there. I think we're going to be a while off hitting pan, but also it's getting warmer, so hopefully I'll have more of a tan and can use more of this. She says, currently on camera I look like a ghost. Okay, this one I'm really pleased with this progress. I hate panning highlighters, they're so hard to pan. This one we are making good progress on. This is our Be Perfect Get Wet highlighter in Chew You. I've used this 11 times, and look at that dip. Look at her, she's beautiful. She's absolutely stunning. I'm gonna say I can do this in, I'm gonna say 6 weeks. I'm gonna not quite give myself just a month, but I think in the next 6 weeks this is gonna be panned. I love this highlighter. So sad you can't get them anymore. They are stunning. Okay, what else have we got? Our Milk Makeup Baked Bronzer Stick. She's looking really, really gross. The only way I can use this is if I put it on my hand first, because it's quite dry. It's not very emollient, but that's what we're looking like. That's how much we've used. This was like up above the top when I first rolled this in. So that's what we're looking like. I don't hate this. I don't love it. My friend Alyssa did comment on my January update and say she hate pan this. I don't hate it, but I couldn't not put it on the back of my hand and just put it straight on my face. It's just too dry. It just doesn't work. Okay, our loose pigment from Pastel Roses. This is Horizon. I haven't used this at all this past couple of months. I haven't wanted to put something that's kind of flaky and like maybe been able to like irritate the dry skin. So I haven't used that one at all, but I'm not worried about that one. Okay, our gel liner from Colourpop. I've used this one 5 times. This is the shade Icebreaker, and that is what we've got left. I'm really loving using this one. If anybody asks, I haven't got a cold, no. We're ignoring it. We're not giving it its time of day. She can evacuate, please. I really love this. I love the Colourpop gel liners, and I've been really enjoying using that. Then our MAC Luster Glass lipstick in Modesty. She just looks battered, bless her. I've used this one 9 times this month. I am currently wearing this lipstick with a little bit of Whirl lip liner. I love this shade. It's one of my favourites. Literally the only reason it's in here is because she's so melted, and I want to get it out so I can buy a new one, basically. Okay, I'm getting rid of this. I'm not even rolling it out and putting it back in my collection. It's just going in the bin. It's the MUA Shimmer Hydra Lip Balm in Watermelon Sorbet. I cannot stand the taste of watermelon, and this feels gritty on the lips. So I'm not even giving it the time of day. That is going. My crushed liquid lip colour from Bobbi Brown in Lychee Baby. I've only used this once this month. For no other reason, I think, than obviously I'm doing lip service, and I've pretty much been focusing on those products. It's a beautiful shade. We're keeping it in. I'm not overly worried about it. I don't think I'm going to finish it anytime soon because it's like a really thick, glossy liquid lipstick, but we'll see. Then we have our Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. It's finally empty. I've used it 4 times this month for a total of 21 uses in this bit of the project, 156 in the last bit of the project. So that is a total of 177 uses. It is empty. It wasn't even brand new at the start. I'm not rolling another eyeshadow primer, and I've been using the Lotta Life primer from Troublemaker, but this is the last one, so I don't need to roll that in. We'll just use it and then we'll move it and we'll get a new one. So that is done. I'm very pleased to have like a whole category moved out for my project pan. That pleases me greatly. Then we have got our Lady Bold lip liner from Too Faced. I've used this 8 times. This is the shade Badass. I have no idea how much product is in here because this little cap always gets stuck on it. It drives me insane. That's why it's in here. I've no idea how much is left in it because it's a clicky one, so you can't click it back down. But we've used that 8 times. Again, no idea where that one's going to end up. Urban Decay Brow Gel and my Makeup by Mario Master Blade Brow Pencil. We've used these 18 times each. That is how much of the Master Blade we've got left. I want this done next month. I can get this done, I can get it moved out, and I can move on to a new brow pencil. And another one that I have no idea where it's up to, the Big Bush Brow Gel from Urban Decay. We've still got a lot of product coming out on the brush, so we're going to leave it in and see what happens. And then finally, the only thing that I rolled in last month, this is the 17 Extreme Extension Lengthening Mascara in Navy Blue. I've used this one 6 times. I really like this mascara. I've been really enjoying wearing this and the Colourpop liner, like with no skin makeup. I just think it looks really cute. Little bit of a brow, and you sorted. So that is the update. We have moved. We've finished the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and then I am getting rid of the Hydra Balm from MUA. I just don't like it. I'm not going to use it. We're not hate panning things anymore. I'm not interested in it. So let me go grab my box of Plan to Pan and see if there's anything I want to pull out. Okay, this is my Plan to Pan box. I might roll primer in maybe. Yeah, let's pull this one out because the weather is slightly changing. So I'm gonna grab the Supergoop Glow Screen. This is just a mini one. I would say this is about half full. Yeah, I'm gonna go with about half full, so it's about here. I want to get this one done before the sun kind of really comes out, as it's been opened a while, and I have got a big one to use in the summer, so we'll get that one done. And I think I'm going to preemptively roll this one in because I know that the Milk one is almost done. And then because we don't have another eyeshadow primer, I did want to roll something else in, so I'm going to roll in the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Cosmic. Now, as you can see, this has got quite a big dip in it anyway. It has got a little bit of hard pan. I'm not going to lie, this shadow is literally eons old. So my plan is to use this one up, and again, so I can repurchase, but in the new packaging. This is beautiful. It's just like a really pretty like white shimmer. I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous paired with my Pan palette as well, which the update of that should be coming next week, I think. So we're going to roll that one in as well. I don't think there's anything else I want to roll in. I think the next foundation we roll in is going to be the Tear Cushion Foundation, but I do think I want to wait to roll this in until that foundation is done. And then again, the same with the concealer. I've got the NYX Bear With Me to roll in next, but again, I want to wait for that one as well. So I think that is it for today. So we've got 2 new roll-ins. We've got the Supergoop sunscreen, and we've got the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Cosmic. Let me know how you are getting on with your project pan. I'd love to know. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe, and if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous, I've been Cole the Ball, and I'll see you next time. Bye!